I don't know about you, but I usually prefer my photos to be still and not have the live photo, where it's sort of a little video before and after the photo. I find that fairly annoying and I don't want it to be on every single time. However, if you go in there and you manually turn live photo off, it always comes back and presets to live photo being on. I'm going to show you how to manually turn it off in the camera app, but also turn it off so that it stays off and doesn't automatically re-enable. Now, swipe down from the top right and then tap on the camera icon in the control center, or just tap on the camera app. That works as well. From here, you can see the live photo option is right next to those 6 dots. It's the little A with the circles around it. If you don't see that, you can tap on those 6 dots at the top right, and there is live. So I can tap on it, and at the top it says live is on, and tap on it, and live is off. Now I can take a photo with live turned off. However, every time I open the camera app again, it will just automatically turn on. So what we're going to do is turn live photo off here in the camera, but then open up the settings app of your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on camera midway down. From here, scroll down and tap on preserve settings. And then again, scroll down to live photo at the bottom. It says preserve the live photo setting rather than automatically resetting to live photo turned on. Essentially what this means is once you've turned this on, it will remember whether you leave live photo on or if you turn it off, it will stay off. Now, again, all you need to do is hop into your camera and make sure to tap on the 6 dots at the top right and make sure live has the little line through it, and it will no longer reinitiate or enable the live photo. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.